Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Roblox app. So you just follow this ways that it's going to work with you. You just go down, click on more down here. When you click here on more, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you scrolling down here into the font settings, just click on it. So I'm going to so we will go back, then you click on settings again. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on account info here, then it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this here, then you just scrolling down here. So into you will find here who can see links to your social networks profiles, and here can you select if you want to add everyone or friends and followers and people you follow, or friends people you follow, or friends or no one here. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.